thank you for joining me for this review of the Naturediet Feel Good dog food that I have on the subscribe and save from Amazon. So we have quite a fussy dog. We've gone through quite a few different types of dog food. He seems to easily get bored and then he won't eat it. But he's been on this now for over a year and he eats every single time, which is brilliant. Hence why I got it set up on the subscribe and save to save a bit of extra money. So we just get 2 boxes of each of these 2 different flavours every month, and that keeps him going. So I was attracted to it because it actually says on it that it's gentle digestion, which I thought obviously would be beneficial, and that it's only natural ingredients. So if you look at the back of these, you can see that it actually has 60% lamb in it, 10% rice, and 6% carrot. So obviously that's a lot of good food, natural food in there, which I was really impressed with, because obviously you want the best for your dog, don't you? And then he also has this, which is the salmon with white fish. It's also got rice and carrots in, as does the lamb. And then this one is 42% salmon, 18% white fish, 10% rice, 6% carrot. So yeah, I've been really impressed with these. They're quite handy as well because they're easy to open. So they're like the Tetra packs. So if you lift up the side and then you can fold it over and then tear it off. I'm not going to tear it off because otherwise he's going to come running and getting excited that he's getting some dinner and it's not dinner time. So obviously with the Tetra packs as well, subject to your recycling, they are recyclable as well, so I feel a bit less bad buying dog food that actually can recycle the packaging afterwards. So he's done really well on this. Obviously I'm not a vet or anything, but there seems to be much gentler on his tummy, and he doesn't have any problems then with going to the toilet, which is great. So if you've got a fussy dog like me, or even if you haven't, I would highly recommend these dog foods, as they are, as they say, natural diet, feel good food for your dog. So if you do buy these, I hope your dog loves them as much as I do, and thanks very much for joining me.